Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix TECNO phone stuck on boot start. So if you're having problems with your TECNO phone here and it's stuck on the boot menu, well, there are a few things that you may want to try. So first things first is you want to actually enter into recovery mode here. So in order for you to do that, in your phone here, you want to go and press the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Now this will actually redirect you or open up the recovery mode here. So if you do see that, in this case, logo or that window here, you want to press the power button. While holding it, you want to press or you want to tap the volume up button once. Do this really quickly. Do not press and hold it again. But yeah, so once you've done that, you should see this specific menu here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and first try a few things here. So you want to go ahead and go to the power off option that you see here and just basically power off your device and see if that actually helps. Now, you want to open up your, or in this case, boot up your device here and see if it now boots up normally. Now, if not, you want to repeat the process and you want to go ahead and go back into recovery mode here like what we did before. Now, in here, the last thing that you could try doing is you may want to do a factory reset. Now, most likely, if your TECNO phone here is stuck on boot start, it means that the phone, or in this case, the OS of that phone is now broken. So in this case, doing a factory reset or wiping data here can actually help a lot. Now, just some information here. If you do this, you will basically, in this case, erase any data you currently have on your phone. But yeah, so you want to use the up or volume up and volume down buttons to navigate the menu here and use the power button to basically select that specific option. So again, you want to navigate to wipe data here, use the up or down or volume up and down buttons to navigate to wipe data and use the power button to select it. Now, in this case, you want to go ahead and confirm this. So select yes. And in here, you just need to wait for it to complete the recovery process. Now, you want to go and choose the reboot system now here. And once you've done that, see if that actually helps. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.